Tired of guessing who's interested in you on Tinder? Don't fret. Let's dive into how you can see who liked you without paying for gold. First, make sure your profile shines. Create captivating photos and an engaging bio to attract more likes. Next, if you receive a match, you'll know someone liked you. Check your matches list regularly for new notifications. Also, explore social media connections. Sometimes, mutual friends can lead to new likes on Tinder. Consider engaging on Tinder's quirky features like super likes. It shows more intent from users. With these tips, you'll maximize your chances of knowing who's like you, no gold required. So, start swiping smarter. Use these tricks and watch your Tinder game improve. Don't forget to engage. Chat with your matches and see where the sparks fly. Remember, dating should be fun. Enjoy the process and stay true to yourself. Ready to take your Tinder experience to the next level? Go ahead and swipe away. Don't forget to share these tips with friends and keep the Tinder love flowing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on dating apps.